Thanks, Heidi. Thanks for that really interesting in-depth look in our understanding of what data analytics is and what it means to an organizational business who don't know that they have the kind of data on hand. Now, in this segment, we're going to cover questions we've found in organizations that are rarely asked, but are considered to be the most valuable in growing the understanding of the data in an organization. So firstly, we're going to ask the question, what does data analytics mean to your business? So firstly, do you use data in your business to generate insight, or is it purely operational? If you use data for insight, does your business learn from itself and transform it into relevant analytics? There is a misconception that data analytics pertains only to marketing and is always treated as a siloed operation. But data is everywhere and means something different to each part of a business or team. Data can drive growth or insights, which can feed process or understanding. So to answer these questions and looking more in depth, what does the data analytics mean to your business? You in turn need to go and understand what is the data you have accumulated over all the years of operation and what is being used. Find out what's not being used and draw value out of it.